All right, guys, you see the title in the thumbnail, and we got soup on the menu. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I ain't know how this baby was gonna turn out, but listen, it's fire. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this spicy jalapeno popper chicken soup. Man, get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on today's recipe. Back here, we have our boneless chicken breast. We have our heavy whipping cream here, some bacon, chicken broth, shredded cheddar cheese, chopped onions, room temperature cream cheese, seasoned salt, cumin, paprika. Got those diced jalapenos there, olive oil, black pepper, and some freshly chopped garlic. So that's all we need. Let's get to it. All right, guys, to make this recipe, we're gonna use our BUYDEEM 5-in-1 multifunctional slow cooker. As you can see, guys, I love this particular kitchen gadget, slow cooker, whatever you wanna call it. I've been using it a lot, especially for soups and slow cooker recipes. And what I like about it most is the multifunction, because you can saute it right here in this pot, which we're gonna do now. We're going to change we're gonna hit our menu button. We're gonna change that to saute and sear. Gonna hit start. We're gonna move back up to our slow cooker, or to the pot rather. We're gonna take our olive oil. We're gonna heat that baby up. All right, once our pot heats up, we're gonna add our onions. And we're gonna saute these babies for about 5 minutes until those onions soften. All right, guys, after about that 5 minutes, we're gonna go in with our jalapenos, our garlic, and we're gonna cook this for an additional 2 minutes. All right, so after that 2 minutes, we're gonna take our chicken breasts, we're gonna add them here. Just like that. We're gonna go in with our chicken broth. We're gonna bring this to a boil. We're gonna bring this to a boil. All right, so once it comes to a boil, we're gonna cover this baby up, and we're gonna let this cook for 15 minutes until that chicken is cooked all the way through. All right, guys, so we're gonna pause our cook. We're gonna remove our top. We're gonna remove our chicken, and we're gonna shred it. So I'm gonna put it right here on our shredding tray, because I'm gonna go right to shredding this. Guys, you gotta get you one of these babies right here, man. I'm telling you, it makes shredding chicken easy. I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. So let me get this shredded, and I'm gonna come right back. All right, before we keep going, I wanna share something with you guys that you've been asking me for, and it's Still Not a Chef, my highly anticipated cookbook that's finally up for pre-order. Yep, no complicated steps, no chef rules, just food that makes sense in real life. So if this sounds like your vibe, grab your copy at the link in the video description. Guys, take a look. Shreds it just like that. We're gonna add this back into we're gonna pour in our heavy whipping cream, our ground cumin, paprika, black pepper, and our seasoned salt. Come behind that with our cream cheese. We're gonna get this stirred in until that cheese melts and it's fully incorporated, and that broth starts to give that creamy texture. That can take a few minutes. Once our cream cheese is slightly melted, we're gonna go in with our cheddar cheese. Want to clarify which cheese. We have cream cheese and we have cheddar cheese. And if you're using bacon, it's totally up to you. If you are, we're gonna go in with our bacon. And we're gonna get that stirred in, let that cheese melt. All right, we're gonna put the top back on this baby. We're gonna let this cook for an additional 10 minutes and let those flavors come together, and we'll be right back. I also changed my settings on my slow cooker to soup. All right, so after that 10 minutes, we're gonna turn our heat off because we're good. Remove our top. We're gonna give this baby a quick stir. That's what I'm talking about right there. And this is looking good. Smells good too. We're gonna go ahead and head over to our cutting board, take a final look, and get into our final presentation. All right, so over at our cutting board, we're just gonna put some final touches on it with some fresh chopped cilantro. You know, we always perk it up with that green stuff. We're gonna add a few jalapenos here. There you have it, guys. Spicy jalapeno popper chicken soup. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time, man. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. We can't tilt it over because we don't want our cup to run it over. Man, let's go ahead. Oh man, listen, this baby looking good, man. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man. This is something else. Oh man. God, this is delicious. A little bit of baby spoon. I need a bigger spoon. And it's not what you think when in terms of spicy. It's not spicy. Now, when I eat one of them whole jalapenos, yeah, it got spicy, but man, the broth itself, a little bit of heat, but not much, guys. Definitely add this to your soup recipe. You're definitely gonna love it. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace. Oh man, this is delicious.